There, right there, you see that?
What?
His pupils. For a second, he looks like a reptile.
A reptile.
What's happening here?
The world is fragile.
Spread ourselves into castes.
Time is running out.
Some to be our eyes and ears.
For both our people.
Some to be our muscles.
I mean, you're hunters.
Yes. Bred to be predators, but bred also to be controlled.
We need to create something better.
What was once one race is now two.
Part human, part us.
Look! Look at them! They're everywhere!
We don't really live in this world.
Two distinct species that have evolved. One above
We feed off of it.
and one below.
Aliens.
They have taken the hearts and minds of our leaders. They have recruited the rich and the powerful, and they have blinded us to the truth.
There's another group. They live among us. They look like us.
Our human spirit is corrupted. Why do we worship greed? Because outside the limit of our sight, feeding off us, perched on top of us from birth to death, are our owners.
I see them everywhere.
They have us. They control us. They are our masters. Wake up. They're all about you, all around you.
Your soul, it's gone.
And how do those below survive?
That is the real question, isn't it?
They may be cold-blooded and hideous, but they have qualities that we admire and technology that we need.
What we've been doing with the egg and the rebirth, it's meant to signify an artistic statement of birthing a new race, a race within the race of humanity, a race within the race of humanity.
A race within the race of humanity.
Boom! It's breaking all the rules, and I'm here for that.